Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a photo right here in Google Classroom, right on the stream page, yes. So definitely was asked to insert this on the stream page. How would you go about inserting the photo, right? First thing you want to do is click right here on announcement. Now when you click on announcement, you might not see it, so you can come to your right and scroll up some more. Right here, if you notice, you can take a photo right here from the Google Drive. You can upload it to your desktop. You can get a link. So I'm going to click here and upload to desktop. Now when you click, this is what you're going to take it to resend, upload, my drive, and start, right? So when you click on resend, what you will see definitely, this is what it actually shows that you can resend. From your desktop, from my show, you can actually drag the file and put here. I'm going to click on your browse. Now when I click on your browse, definitely take me to these photos here. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click on word open. Now when I click on word open, if you notice right here, alright, and there you go. You notice it's right here, the image actually display right here. If you notice come out here, so you click on it, you look at that right here, so that you can actually remove a display image. You can remove the attachment right here. So very important. So this is how you will actually insert image right in the Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. See you.